In today's video, let me show you the way that you can fix the Facebook login code not received. If you're not being able to receive the code of Facebook while trying to log into it, the first thing that you can immediately do is, for example, if you try to receive the code on your phone number, then you can try switching to your email. So you can just tap on the try another way option, and right there you have the option of receiving the code on your email address instead. This way you should be able to receive the code. If you're still having issues with this, the other thing that you can try out is try to toggle on and toggle off the airplane mode on your phone. Now once you tried out both of these steps and you're still having issues with it, then that likely means Facebook is glitching right now. So in this case, you just need to wait out a couple of minutes before you try to receive the code again. Apart from this, what you can also try out is try to receive the code or try to log into your account using a different web browser. So for example, currently you're using the app of Facebook on your phone, then you can try opening up a browser and try to log in and try to see if you can receive the code. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix the Facebook login code not received issue. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.